most CPA firms today. For your CRM, you're using Salesforce, QuickBooks for accounting, XCM for workflow, Analytics Power BI, and CCH for practice management. Our current environment consists of numerous separate systems, leading to inefficiencies and a heavy reliance on Excel spreadsheets to maintain data. This results in dual entry and increased potential for errors. Manual re-entry of information across different systems is time-consuming and prone to mistakes. The fragmented nature of our systems hinders our ability to generate comprehensive and accurate report. What we do with Practice ERP is bring all of this into one data source. One solution for your CRM and client management, task and workflow management, timekeeping, billing, and even finance in GL and analytics. Clients can log in and access their relevant information, and it's role-based. We have specific roles for firm administrators, billing, logistics, managers, partners, and staff accountants. See Practice ERP for yourself. Schedule a demo today.